Today I'm making Refika Birgül's refreshing homemade lemonade. This recipe is quick, easy and perfect for hot summer days. It is made with fresh lemon, honey, olive oil and cold water. The result is a delicious, naturally sweet lemonade with a smooth, refreshing taste. Let's get started. First, wash the lemonade very well. Since we are using the whole lemonade, it is important. Without cutting or peeling the lemon, place the whole lemon into a blender. Pour in 1 liter of cold water. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add 4 to 6 tablespoons of honey, depending on how sweet you like it. Blend until the lemon is completely broken down and the mixture is smooth. Strain the lemonade through a fine mess, sieve into a pitcher. Serve over plenty of ice and enjoy. That is it. Our homemade lemonade is ready. It is fresh, naturally sweet and incredibly refreshing. Thank you for your time and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye now.